Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and we are on day 20 of Lynne's Soft Squares Countdown to Christmas, right? I did the B box. We are on day 20 and we are getting close to celebrating the arrival of our big friend Santa Claus. So without further ado, here is day 20. So let's take a look at what unique gift she put in the B box for day 20. So she does include a note each and every time. And wow, guys, I am going to say, I really am liking this. Maybe you all would like for me to share that with you, so let me do so. I have not watched Lynne. She posts just after midnight. Typically, I'm posting late in the afternoon. But she is giving us from Creative Notions, Starburst Wall Hanging. And there's a table runner option inside. This finishes out 35.5 by 35.5. You can do it white or black. And it says featuring Gathering by Shelley Cavanagh. And of course, it's Bernitex fabric. So who doesn't like Bernitex? I am a huge Bernitex fan. They tend to be one of my go-tos, them and Timeless Treasure. Starburst Wall Hanging, the requirements are 6 assorted fat quarters, a background of either white or black, fusible interfacing, 4 inches square, backing, binding, and then she tells you how to do the table runner. And look at the table runner design. So I like the table runner design, but not like I like the wall hanging. I think that wall hanging is just super. This was designed by Sugar and Spice Textile for Creative Notions. And she says, hey friends, I'm friends. Oh, she says, B-Box Day 20. This is from Lynne. So this says, I am friends with Vicky at Creative Notions. I love her custom rulers and patterns. When I found out that I could get my hands on this ruler, I just had to grab it. This is not as intimidating as you may think. Give it a try with a small project first, then go big. So let's take a look. So she provided the ruler, it appears, for us. And I don't know if it's going to be easier to peel the tape off. Yeah. Lynne's friends with everybody. She just kills me. I need to make Lynne my friend, right? Because she does have some great ideas and does some amazing things. So she did provide the ruler that you will need. Come on, come on, come on. To make this Starburst wall hanging. And this says it's a 15-degree, 12.5-inch ruler. So look at that. So I am pretty excited. I think this is going to be a fun project to do. The table runner obviously works with this as well, but I'm not as excited about the table runner as I am really that wall hanging. I really like that spiral and how that comes together. So we will see what John ends up putting together. So for today, I think this is a great present. I am super happy with it and is absolutely totally different. You know, I'm getting spoiled and I try to do a lot of things with AccuQuilt and I'm trying to avoid all hand cutting. But when it comes to specialty rulers and things like this, I don't think you can, there's just no substitution for it, right? There are some things to get that specialty look and uniqueness. You need some specialty rulers. So Lynne did a great job on this. I appreciate this. I am very excited to think about now how I work this into a project for me in 2026. So guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for letting me rattle on just a few minutes. Hope you are having an amazing week. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.